Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn day 11 class, that is English handwriting classes. It is from Sri Vijayata School, Mudalli X Road. So, English, it is a foreign language. We know Telugu, we know Hindi, those are Indian languages, but India introduced English as a third language and official language. So every language here start with letters in the same way Telugu, Hindi and any other Indian language. All languages start with letters. In the same way English also here start with letters. English language also start with letters. English language contains totally there are 26 letters. How many letters there are? 26 letters there. So these 26 letters are called alphabet. These 26 letters are called alphabet, not alphabets, only alphabet. The name comes in singular only. So it is called the English letters. The 26 letters are called alphabet. So these alphabet can be divided into, write into two types. Actually, there are two types of letters. The first one is print letters. And the second one is script letters. Print letters are we often see in our textbooks. Again, it is means the print letters. Look here. Alphabet can be divided into two types. The first one is print letters. And the second one is script letters. Print letters again divided into two, capital and small. And the second one is small. And here script letters also divided into two. That is also capital and small. We have a doubt. What the print letters and script letters? What is print? What is script here? Print means here the letters which can write, which can shows in the textbooks. We often see in the textbooks capital and small letters. That is, I give example here: A, B, C, D up to Z. So these letters are print capital letters. And small letters. Look here: A, B, C, D up to Z. So these we can see in our textbooks. Yes or no? So these print small letters are A, B, C, D up to Z. So next, script. Print means which can print in the textbooks. Script means here which can write. We often write. So like those are also two types here: capital letters and small letters. Look here: capital letters A and B, C, D. So these are script capital letters. And script small letters. Look here. Look. So there are four types of letters in English. The first one, second one, third one, and fourth one. Today, our class, the script letters. Okay? Script letters, how to write, how to make the script letters, that is cursive handwriting, how to learn how to make the letters in English handwriting. Okay, I will tell you how to write the letters right now. Okay, look at the board. So today our class is handwriting class. Online class is handwriting class. Look here. How to write the letters, handwriting class. So in cursive handwriting class. So in cursive handwriting class, first we will make the capital letters. We will make the capital letters. You know, in English handwriting copies, there are 4 lines. Look. Look. In English handwriting copies, we see 4 lines. So, first of all, how to write the letter A? Look here. Look, first start the letter from third line to go up and touch the first line and come down at the same point. Then we make a circle at the between line A. Okay, again I show you here. Look here, look at the board. First, take the pencil or pen, start at the third line and go up and touch the first line and come down at the same line. Again, then make a circle between line. Okay, this is A. Okay, this is A. Then how to make B? Letter B. Look, start the letter top line and come down like this, and again start here between the lines B. Okay, look again, look here, B. Okay, and next. Look here, see, then we are making C here. C. Okay, again I write here C. Stop. Okay, now the letter is D. Up to we learn A. Look here, again I repeat here A, okay, and B, okay, and the next letter is C, okay, A, B, C. Now we are making letter D. So start at the top line and reach up to third line, again move to up and make a angle like D. Look here. Okay, D. Again I show you here how to write the letter D here. Okay, look here. D. Okay, and the next letter is E. Okay, and the next one is F. Next one is F. Okay, and the next G. Okay, and H. Okay, and the next letter is after H we make I. We make I, and then we make J. Look here, J. Okay. Then the next letter we complete up to J. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. The next letter is K. We make the letter K between three lines. First, second, and third. Three lines. The next letter is L. Okay, and the next letter is M. Okay, and the next letter is N. Okay, and next O. Okay, next P. The next letter is Q. Okay, and the next letter is R. After letter R, we make S. What that? S. Again, we make the letter T. U. V. Then we make W. Again X. Then Y. The final letter is Z. Okay, so this is the third type of letter in cursive handwriting. So look at them: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So I give homework to you. So look at the letters and practice them and copy them 5 times in your a fresh notebook, fresh page. Okay, in your notebook take a fresh paper and copy them 5 times. How many times you have to copy? 5 times. So this is your homework. Today's homework is 5 times cursive handwriting capital letters. Cursive handwriting capital letters is your homework today. So you have to copy them 5 times in a fresh paper. In your notebook, take a fresh paper and copy them at 5 times. So you can make the letters between 2 lines here. Actually, you are seeing the lines here. So the first line, the second line. You can make the letters between 2 lines. Okay, I show you. I take a line here, first and second, and make them like A. So practice it like this. Okay. Thank you. One should, I observe you, one should compulsory మీరు ఆ ఫ్రెష్ నోట్బుక్ తీసేసుకొని ఆ ఫ్రెష్ పేపర్ లో కొత్త పేపర్ లో ఈ విధంగా ఈ రెండిటి లైన్స్ మధ్యన మీరు ఈ లెటర్స్ రాసి నాకు 5 టైమ్స్ స్టెప్ చూపించాలి. ఓకే, I will explain again how to write, how to make the small letters next class, in the next class. Thank you.